My name is Herb Leva. I am the equipment manager. I've got 7 years here at Torrey Pines. My total experience in the golf industry is right at 25 years. And then I had another 25 years with respect to equipment maintenance with the United States Navy. I was recruited, actually. Some of the golf course superintendents that knew me recommended to the individual that was in charge at the time that I would be a good candidate for his program. My military background is what I brought with me. The self-discipline, the organization. The idea is to have a piece of equipment in a particular location and have it clean and placed back in its place and ready for the next day.
It's a very clean shop. It's come a very long way. They are very meticulous and very detailed, and everything has to have its own place, which I love. It takes a lot of stress out of that day-to-day when you can't find something or something goes down. You know, we are able to turn around and react very quickly.
Our equipment is a lease program that the city established. Initially, the first lease, we ended up with a lot of new equipment, a lot of the hybrid equipment that's out there now. It's a learning curve, but Doro and Turfstar work together, and they certainly support us in every way they can.
We supply them with all their equipment. We also supply technical support, but tournament support is actually what we're here doing this week. You're just going to go ahead and adjust the blades so that they're just slightly under the height of cut. So it helps pull those leaf blades up.
Most of the places I do deal with, it's usually new equipment for them, but all I hear is that they enjoy it. You know, it's so much easier to operate, and they're user friendly. You know, they're comfortable. All the things for operators, it's top notch for them.
The new equipment lease with Torrey has been tremendous and has allowed us to kind of set a new tone for quality so we can be successful for these events year in, year out.
On top of all the course's normal equipment, we've got two 4500s out here, we've got two Real Master 7000s, and we have 8 50 10H fairway mowers for them.
We're going into a situation that we have almost 3 times the fleet that we initially started with, and we're having to bring in people to help us get out there and get it done. But it's coordinating well, and it's working out really well, especially from Turfstar. The skillful hand that they're giving us is great.